Beautifully, Dow Jones and Nasdaq, though slightly traded bearish, however, we can see both of them specifically traded within the levels which I shared in my Asia session analysis 10 hours back. If you recall, I have told you 11,800, 900, you have to be watchful of, precisely traded between the same levels, and US32 has given higher lows and achieved 32,600 and recovered since then. So now what to expect for these two with the US session? Which position you should take, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis and targets which I share for Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Do watch both the analysis. Let's start. First we look into Tech 100. Now first thing on the hourly chart. See, Tech 100 was trading bearish here. It tried to break out here. Second is, see the multiple candles on the hourly charts getting the resistance here at 11,870 and then 11,900. So once you see Tech 100 trading above 11,900, you can buy, but then expect 11,965, 12,000 levels as the next resistance, and only if it stays above 12,000 further bullishness is confirmed. Now at the same time, I have told you several times in past, 12,200 is the level beyond which little more bullishness can be seen. Right now it is very far away from the levels there. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic has recovered a bit, trying to look up still. The MACD on the hourly charts has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is looking bullish. And this crossover is happened at bottom. See the crossover here and here, almost it has recovered strongly once it has crossed beyond these. You can see here that a crossover here almost at 11,900 levels. It has achieved 12,200 and now it is trying to repeat, but let's be watchful. RSI has also come out of the oversold zone, trying to trade or trying to recover. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, likewise, first thing is it is shown a reversal, second is it is shown a resistance. Hence you have to watch out for 11,900 and 11,800 zone. For this 100 points, do not take any trade. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic at bottom, trying to recover. The MACD is bearish. It is also trying to converge crossover for a buy entry, and RSI is almost trading at the bottom here. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts specifically, if you look at these two candles, first here is a reversal indication, a doji with a long tail. Second, the previous candle giving you higher lows. Now on the downside, see, this was also trading outside Bollinger Bands and hence got a stronger support. Now you have to be watchful of 11,840, 800 levels, and below that only little bearishness is confirmed there. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic trying to recover from the bottom. The MACD is bearish, but the candle size has flattened. Possibly we may see it converging from here. RSI looking down, indicating little bearishness. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour chart, see 12,200 drop, 12,100 drop, and see 100 points block is getting created here, and which means right now for the day we have to be watchful of 12,000 to 11,800, or rather first you have to observe 11,800, 900 levels for sure. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish, probably we can expect it to converge. RSI trading at the bottom there. Now look at the daily chart. What did I say with the morning analysis? First, these 4 candles very well aligned. Second, these 2 candles looking down, which indicated that there could be a follow-up candle for bearishness. Precisely, it has dropped till 11,800. Below that, you can expect that stronger support from the 100 period moving average at 11,700. And then specifically at 11,600. See, it has to breach below 11,600 in order to confirm the bearishness there, and then below that further drop can be expected. Till that time, possibly, see what it has done: rise, retracement, slightly higher lows, rise, retracement, maybe slightly higher lows. Possibly it can try to drop till towards 11,200, 300 zone if it continues to drop on the downside. For now, it is trading above the long-term bearish channel, and hence this is still a bullish indication. Considering this, also if you look at the daily charts, it is crossing over for a sell. The stochastic is looking down again. The MACD is bearish, but this I am trying to show you again and again on MACD. It may possibly achieve this and bounce back here. Now it may happen next week or this week also. RSI looking down, indicating little bearish. Considering this, trading Nasdaq is pretty simple today. Buy at 900, sell at 11,800. Above 11,900, remember 11,945, 11,975 and then 12,020. These three levels you should watch out for. Once it stays about 12,020, then 12,100, 150, 200 can be seen. Only about 12,200, consider this for a reversal. Possibly this may not happen today. On the downside, you can sell here at 11,800. Expect 11,700 levels below this. Yes, you might get a little support at 11,660 and then you can expect 11,700 and it's 760. Sorry for this. 11,760 first support and then 11,700 will be seen. Below 11,700, it is going to act further bearish, which might take it till towards 11,600, the next strongest support and the ultimate important support there at 11,600. Be careful till then. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, buy at 900, sell at 800 levels. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. The 20th batch starts on 13th of March. Limited seats are available. Reserve your seats now itself. Now look at the hourly charts. Higher lows are seen. This time it has broke past this resistance also and tried to march till towards 11,900 zone, which is the next resistance. Hence you have to, 32,900 levels, 800 and 900 levels, which is a stronger resistance. So once it stays above 32,800, little more bullishness is confirmed. And on the downside, 32,500, you have to wait for it to break out. Now I will tell you why 32,500 is important. We have seen several times in now. Those who are new, I will show you on the daily charts why 32,500 is important. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic looking up trying to trade bullish. MACD crossing over for a buy. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour, on the 2-hour chart, first of all, see, this is trading with increasing bullishness here. And probably this is the channel, which means it might take the price till towards 33,000 also. Hence be watchful of 32,950, 33,000, which is going to be the next stronger resistance if it stays above 32,800. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic looking up. The MACD divergent and bullish looking up here. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts here, now more importantly on the 3-hour charts, there is a reversal indication. And this, see the candle size almost of same height, and possibly this candle might also take it a little higher, which means 32,900, 950 and in fact 33,000 levels can be expected if it continues to trade above 32,800. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic has dropped a bit. MACD divergent and bullish looking up. RSI almost trading flat here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts here, now see on the 4-hour charts, most importantly, higher highs are done. Yes, 32,800 levels is the stronger resistance, and if you see the lower lows, which means 32,600 is going to provide a very good support. 32,600, 580 rather I will say, you have to sell at 32,580 for 32,500 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking down, MACD bullish, RSI flat. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. See, first of all, look at the previous 3 candles. Lower highs are seen, lower lows, and see previous candle failed to stay low and it is reversed. Now if you see it trading above 32,800, stay long for 32,900 and 33,000. In fact, we may see it hitting 33,200 very soon, and only if it stays above 33,200, little more bullishness will be confirmed. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom, MACD is still bearish, it is not yet converged, and the RSI almost trading at the bottom here. Considering this for the day, you can buy at 32,800 levels, beyond which little more bullishness might take it for 32,900 and 33,000 levels, the next stronger resistance zone. And beyond 33,000, the sky is the limit. Possibly we have to wait for it to break past 33,200 levels in order to confirm the bullishness. On the downside, you can sell here at 32,680, but then expect 32,650, 600 as the first and very strong support. And below 600, it may directly lend to 32,500, and below 500, it is going to crash further, this time for 32,400 and below levels. Now see what it is trying to do. Couple of green candles, one red, one green, one another bigger red candle might appear, which might take it till towards 32,400 levels. So in between 32,680 and 32,800, do not take any trade. On the upside, be cautious for 33,200. On the downside, be cautious, be careful till 32,400. You have to trail your stop losses. Trailing stop loss means once you see the trade is in a particular direction, your stop loss automatically shifts, or else you can also put a manual stop loss and keep shifting your stop loss to your entry price, such that in case of a reversal your trade closes without any loss. Take these basic steps, definitely you can profit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram, email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.